Very hot summer this year. And look at my car. My beautiful car is standing under the sun baking all day long. And I need a shed, but I don't have a shed. I don't have it. It's expensive. So I decided to build it myself. Just a cheap one, a budget version. So I bought this net. It's my two cats, Gosha and Losha. They're helping here. And I decided to do it myself. It took me about 4 hours work here. I got this wire and I threaded the wire through the shed. It took me about 4 wires, like these long ones, about 20 meters. That's about, I don't know, 100 feet long, something like that. And then I took the ladder. This fucking ladder was so heavy and it was so hot. The sun was baking, like I said, 40 degrees, and I was so tired. But look at me, I managed. I went up and I attached the wires on one side of the house. And then I went to another side of the house and I attached the wires on another side. And I did it. I was so proud of myself, you see. And it looks great for about a week. I'll tell you, like a week later, a big wind came up and my shade just was taken away by the wind, just flew away. But I tried.